There's a new development in the dispute between the Ministry of National Security and O'Brien's International Car Sales and Rental over the delivery of 200 motor vehicles for the Jamaica Constabulary Force, JCF. The Security Ministry has reportedly turned over the matter to the Attorney General. The Attorney General has been asked to take action to recover the bulk of $213 million given to O'Brien's under the contract. The ministry has recovered the $42 million performance bond in the deal, but has hit a roadblock trying to get back most of the $200 million given to O'Brien. The government wants to recover the funds because the car dealership has failed to fulfill its contracted obligation to deliver 200 vehicles. The ministry has so far received only 34 of the vehicles. O'Brien's had indicated that another 66 vehicles were on the wharves for delivery. However, TVJ News understands that despite asking to deliver them by the end of January, O'Brien's has so far failed to do so.